Welcome to another episode of JavaScript tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to learn variables. So the first question is, what is a variable in JavaScript or in any other language? Variables are like a container that stores some value. Let me explain by writing some code. Suppose I'm writing a variable with a var keyword. Var, then we have to provide some variable name, right? Because we want to store the value in some container. So let's provide some container name called, you can put any name. I'm putting as a equals to some value. What is this? A statement or expression? We have already learned it that this line is one statement, and in the right side 1 2 3, this is an expression. So what is the meaning of this line? Here we have one keyword called var. This var keyword is used for telling the computer that this is going to be, whatever you write on the right side is going to be one variable name, right? So after this var keyword we have to provide one name. I have given a name called a, just a, you can provide any name. And then here comes one assignment operator, and after that we have to provide some value, and we have to end the line with semicolon. Semicolon is optional in JavaScript, but is always a good practice to write semicolon, just to tell the compiler that uh, you have ended the statement. Okay. So what it is doing, this value 123 is being assigned to the variable a. Okay. And so you can ask that why we have to provide one name, right? The thing is that we can write two statement, one is a, one is b. Let's say the b is 4 5 6, and in any program you will have multiple variables, maybe tens and thousands of variables. So that's why it is required to provide a name of the variable. Now what you can do with it, we have created variable a and variable b. You can write some other expression with these variables. For example, a plus b, this is an expression, right? Because it is resolving to one value. A contains 1 2 3 and b contains 4 5 6. Now if I print that using console.log a plus b, now if I run the code, no space main.js, we get the value 579, because a plus b is 579. So instead of writing 1 2 3 every time, we are assigning that 1 2 3 to a variable a, and then we can do some other operations with it. Now why it is called a variable, why the a is called a variable? Because the value of this a and b, the value of the variable can vary. That means it can change, right? For example, let's say for example I'm just removing b, it's not required. Okay, I'm only having one variable, a equals to 1 2 3. Now in the next line if I write a equals to a plus 1, what is going to happen? So this is again an assignment operator. That means whatever is there in the right side expression is going to be evaluated and it will be assigned to the left side. That means we get a plus 1, right? A plus 1 means 124. Okay, this is one expression, and if we evaluate the expression a plus 1, we get 1 2 3, we get 1 2 4, and then we are assigning that 1 to 4 to a in the same variable, and that is why it is called variable, because the value of the container can change, so we are calling it as variable. Now if I execute this code, I have not saved it, let's save the file and then execute it again. Now we are getting 124. There's another way to write variable, that is, instead of using var keyword you can use let keyword. The behavior will be almost same, but there are some differences. Execute the code again, we get exactly same 124. But the difference between var and let is a little advanced, so I'm not going to explain that in this video. We can explain it later. And also I've created another video for let and var, and also the const keyword. You can watch that video if you want, but for now you can use let and var interchangeably. Now let's talk about constant. So similar to variables, constants are also containers. But the thing is, constants, as the name suggests, we cannot change the value of the container. Okay, so let's write something. Suppose I'm writing constant can be written using const keyword, constc. Okay, and I'm assigning on value maybe 678. Now I'm outputting this and I'm getting 678 as output. Now as it is a constant, we cannot change this value. Now in the next line, suppose I'm trying to set a different value. I'm just trying to assign a different value to c. I can put 234. Now if I execute the code again, you will see error. The error is assignment to constant variable. So that means when you are using constant, the value will not change. Alright, so we have learned about variables and constants. Variables can be written using var keyword or let keyword, and constants can be written using const keyword. Now if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and we will meet in the next episode. Thanks for watching.